Hi guys, we're back. We'll continue today with our SaaS development. Wait a second. So basically, what are we working on now at the moment are the integrations. I told you yesterday, basically you can choose between two options. First option is to work with our website, which gives you a pre-built website where you can choose. Let me show you actually. It will be easier for you to understand. There are a lot of features. Storefront, yeah. So basically this is the website. You can open the builder. At the moment there is nothing. How I already told you, it's still in development. We'll do it later. But yes, you have some features, branding and domain, colors, themes, SEO also. Yeah, we are still working on, but this part is almost complete if we exclude the builder. But if you want to continue with the second option, which are integrations, maybe you don't want to use our website and you have your website already, but you want to work with our panel, with our system, then all that you have to do is to use our integrations. You reveal a license which is in here, and basically after that you just type in here your URL website. So basically in this way you'll be able to use the integration, and also this ensures that nobody can use your embedded code, yeah, in case it gets leaked. So these are just for security reasons. At the moment he was building something right here. Let me commit the changes. Committed and pushed. Let me go in Vercel deployments. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe if you want to support us. This way we'll continue to live stream more and more. At the moment I am on my bro's laptop. I'm using his cloud subscription because mine is out, but it's not a problem. I guess in 2 days my limit will reset, because I hit the weekly limit, you know. This is the actual problem, but yeah. So we should wait a bit. I don't really like that it actually renders it live, and this is a serious problem. Beside the fact that it loads slow, it also consumes a lot of resource. I mean, if you have a weak PC, this is this will be bad. Yo, give me my phone, bro.
Okay.
Thanks. My bro is playing FIFA. He's crashing out.
Minimum penalties right now.
So, okay, it's ready. Now let me refresh the page. Okay. Why is the text fading away when I hover? Okay, it's much better now. But I still don't really like a thing. HTML, WordPress, Shopify. Okay, but what's the actual difference? Okay, we'll do it. Open live. Oh, you actually can see the code. I mean, where it was emptied. Okay, let me check some more things in here. I don't really like about this text. You see, we have more sections. Some of them sends the information to the backend, to the CRM, and in general to the panel, to this system. But some of the elements, like this one, is display only. I mean, it's just for frontend, you know. And I don't really like that the animation it's not fully shown correctly. Okay, let me fix this bug as well. You see, this animation is not displayed correctly. It's loading a bit slow, I don't know why. Presentation only, you can observe. No bookings, no messages, of course. Also on my website, the animation does not end like that. I mean, you have to scroll a bit more in order to finish the animation. It annoys me, this voice, I don't know why, but sometimes it gets stuck. I don't know why, but I think we should add some music though, but we'll do it a bit later. So also let's fix this bug also. You see, when I hover with my mouse on a section, the text fades away. Please fix this bug as well. me clear all of these chats and let me use the terminals. Actually, I've seen that and heard also that Cloud Opus 5 it's better than Fable. I'm not sure if it consumes more tokens than Fable, but at least it's a bit more powerful in some domains, of course. But for a daily use, it's okay. The Opus, I do enjoy it. So let me add some music though. One second.
Credai.
I can feel you everywhere, like a shadow, like a fever. Looking for a getaway, no escape, I'm going deeper. I can't fight.
So I guess it's okay. Let me check it. Yeah. So let me also see if he added some more features in there. Full big booking widget. Don't look at this photo. This is this is the logo. Actually, I just uploaded a random photo. That's why. But it's not a problem though. You see, sometimes it flickers. I don't know why. When I scroll. Let me tell Cloud to fix this problem as well. I needed to fix this error because when I do scroll in this section, sometimes it flickers. But you see, it's not every time. And this is kind of annoying. Let me try another section. Hero sends bookings. What? But you see, somehow flickers, not every time. Maybe he'll fix it, I don't know, we'll see. But I don't understand about this section because this is actually just the design section. It sends bookings. You see this section, the hero, this is just a design section. Basically, it doesn't send any information. I think you've misunderstood something in there. Yeah, I should push an update to this application because it loads a lot and I don't really like it. I should change this structure because I'm using Electron. I've heard there are some softwares that consumes less resources, you know. Okay. So, sends bookings. Okay, I still don't understand what he did in here, but we'll figure it out. So, featured vehicles, sends bookings. Okay, yeah, this section is right. But I still want some more things. No, I want to add now at the moment some more variants in here, because for example there must be some more design options for the same section. For example, featured vehicles. Yeah, I mean, it shows only one design variant. Maybe when you open it, somewhere in here you should be able to choose some other designs that are available for this section only. And I think this will be much more professional in my opinion. Let me actually try and tell him. You see, when I open the menu, I need you to add some design option for that section. Actually, in this side, I think it will be perfect. You see, in the right side, I want you to add some design options for that section. So we'll see. Wait a second. Okay, so let me commit the changes, I guess. Or we should wait a bit more until he finishes everything in there. Actually, let me commit them. Let me check if everything was deployed. He's still doing some work out there. It's pretty hard to build such a system because it is very complex and it requires a lot of tokens, also a lot of time. I mean, if you have tokens, this is not a problem, because you see, when you do something, basically you forget about the time. But there is a problem that I'm using ProPlan on cloud, which is actually the cheapest option at the moment, and one session could last for maybe 1 hour. And a thing that I also discovered, I don't know, on my computer, because this is not mine at the moment, I'm working on my friend's one. I also discovered that, let me check, I don't know, his usage, it's working a bit different. I don't know, I think I installed some skills that are consuming a lot of tokens, and my session...
No, actually, I think
What?
you remember when you gave me that skill.
Yes.
Yours, you did not install it properly.
I don't know, bro, what I
You
did.
just put it, yet you installed it and...
Yeah, I see that here it says ponytail for
Yeah.
you,
Yeah,
but for me it doesn't.
because you needed to actually do a proper setup.
Yeah, I guess so, but I didn't actually. And my tokens are just flying away. And also, you see, cloud is giving 50 more percent until August, I guess. Yeah, until 19 August. But my limit doesn't work. I don't know why. My session is lasting for 1 hour on my computer. On this computer, I don't know, I'm live for 22 minutes. And I guess it's much better. And I am working on free terminals. Yeah, I think I should check. Let's see what the AI done. Oh, you see now. What is this? PUBG? Call? You are not on the right account, bro. You should change it, because I logged in on Call of Duty. No, press the PS button. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. So, let me check now what the AI did. 2 minutes deploy time. I also observed that if the project is bigger, it deploys also... What? Connection failed? Oh yes, I took off the cable. It's in my computer because I live streamed yesterday. I don't think I need an internet connection on the PS, because I'm not playing online. I don't have any games actually, other than FIFA. So, still building, but let me see what he did. Hero, you see, it's a display only, so it means that he understood the problem. See, cloud is useful, and there are a lot of gurus and people that are saying that it's easy to vibe code. Yeah, it's very easy.
talk actually what is when you're actually doing it.
Of course, this is what I mean. It takes a lot of time to connect things, yeah, because cloud can actually generate something visual that looks great, but if you want to create a system, for example, what we are building at the moment, a rental system, it requires a database, it requires you to connect everything, yes, and it's not that easy because nobody is teaching you how to do it properly. So let me refresh the page. Let me take a look. You see now the colors are different. Side theme, background, transparent, but we won't use it. Yeah, he misunderstood a bit my request. But why the background is transparent? I mean, why would somebody use such a thing on their website? Let me check which terminal I was using. You see this section? Some information, I think you misunderstood. I think it's this one. Okay, we found a bug already. Not a problem, we'll fix that later. So, okay, let me use this terminal. You see, you added some color options and also a transparent option, which does not make any sense in my opinion. Nobody will use transparent background on their website. Let's be serious about it. And moreover, I meant I don't think that this will fit properly in here. We should think about it, because there must be some options. You should add some more design options. For example, in the future there will be some more designs for the same section. Let me see what section we are using at the moment. This is full booking widget, so in this case we are using full booking widget. So it means that people will have the possibility to choose between some other variants which will be displayed there. Think about it, make it stunning and also professional. Look, I mean the design of these cards. Why it is loading so much? I can't understand. Content and sections, yeah, we'll remove that as well. The notifications are broken also. Did you import some data, bro?
Me?
Yes.
What do you mean?
The website. Demo data.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I see that you've got a lot of notification here. So. Everything was deployed. Still working on it. Actually, it will be nice if there will be a lot of options to choose in. Home section. Let me check in here.
And the YouTube Music app all together.
So basically, if you import this section on your website, you should be able to press on it, and it must redirect you on the car page. At the moment, what does it do? Yeah, this is just a detail. The bro is playing Call of Duty. Yeah. So actually, I started to tell you why I chose to build this system. A while ago, I built a website for somebody, car rental system basically, but it was on WordPress. I didn't have at that moment enough experience, and I didn't even know about the AI. Everything just started at that moment, and actually I used a platform. I won't give you any details because I'm not promoting nothing, but it was pretty advanced, and I liked what those people did, and I thought about creating one, even though that it was pretty hard for me to start this system, but actually I think that it is working. It takes a while, of course. It's not easy to do such a system in just two people, but it requires experience and knowledge at the same time. Now is the perfect moment to start doing everything. otherwise you won't learn. Never.
But I continue with what you're doing.
Let me check the usage, bro, first. Yeah, I got 60, 59% left. Actually, let me finish the integrations, because I think I'm almost done. You know, it's much easier about integrations because we don't need to worry about the CEO and some other things, because basically these are just some sections that you will use, and you have the opportunity to choose between them. And yes, also one thing that I should take into consideration is that the text in that hero must change, because this is a problem actually. You know, I didn't thought about it. I didn't think about it. My bad. Oh god. So basically we should make a mini builder inside the integrations as well. Otherwise it won't be as good. I mean, you can't edit a text, and this is a problem, because we are not using HTML. It's just one line script, because I want to keep it as clean as possible, and this is a problem at the moment. So let me tell him also to make this change as well. You see, I want you to integrate a builder inside integrations too. Let me take. So basically, because I want to be able to modify the text and also the description, because at the moment you can do this, and this is a problem. So it means that inside each section I must be able to modify the text, and basically all the text that is available in that section. So he finished. Let me commit the changes, commit and push. Also, this is our software. We build it because it's much more convenient for us, other than using, I don't know, anti-gravity or cursor. I can open more terminals, I can use different accounts. Yeah, it's simpler. That section, so let me enter. Let me check the deployments. Just now it's building. Okay, so I should be able to edit this text, because otherwise it doesn't make any sense to use the embed code. Photo gallery, let's check in here also. Okay, all of this information you could edit it from your panel, so this is not a problem. The reviews as well, there will be a section. Also this section will be editable as well. But about this texture, you know what? It will be better to edit everything from here. So it means that when you hover on this part, on this section, you must be able to enter in build mode, you know. I think this would be something interesting. You know, when I hover on that part, on that section, I must be able to open the edit builder. So basically it must just make me available to edit the text inside it, you know. And this is for every section that is available in integrations. So let me see. Also I want to see what all of these sections are meant for, because at the moment I don't see the point. Can you explain me or what these buttons do? I mean, I press on them and nothing happens.
So tonight with this, what we're doing here, we'll get together, realize.
So actually this is how you build a software. We just want to develop such softwares because I find that a lot of rental companies, also my friend tried to do cold calling in USA, and basically he met a lot of problems in there. All of the people were basically saying the same thing, that they don't need a website. They have a great website, but to be honest, I was looking on Google Maps, and basically, you know, all of the business having their website. And basically when I was opening the website, bro, let's be serious, it was, I don't know, it was bad. You know, when you use AI, basically it's visible that it was generated by AI. Of course, if you use Fable or Opus 5, I mean, it's better. But for example, even when it's AI, it is pretty good, let's be serious. But you know, most of the people from USA, basically they try to use their knowledge in order to create websites. And I mean, they don't even use AI, they're using HTML and basically are trying to insert some photos, and that's it. This is the website. You can't even book a car. And even if a website has such a system, I mean, this is incredible. But from what I've seen, only a few companies had such systems, such as Sixit or Hertz, you know, these big companies. And yeah, I thought about creating this software which will give you the opportunity to have payments, contracts, KYC verification, so basically a lot of features which are very useful in one software, you know, and you can either choose between your website or between integrations. And I think this is something unique at the moment. I'm not sure what other companies use, I mean, for their customer relationship management. Yeah, I know about some companies from my country. They are still using I don't know, Word or Excel from Office, which I don't know, it's very badly. I mean, I don't know, for me, to be serious, as a company owner, this is trash. A website is very important. when you access a business website, first of all, it's important to create an impression. And the first impression that the user sees basically decides if he will be your client or not. Let's be serious, it's more pleasant when you open a website which looks professional because it gives you that aura, you know. So it is still working. Let me check. Okay, deployed. Let me refresh it. Okay, list. Okay, he did something in here. Compact. You know, you now have layouts, which is great. Let me also see in hero more experience. Let me. Okay, let's do it for hero now. Actually, I want it to be for every section.
Show me what you made. Show me what you made.
Look. So basically, widget catalog.
Yeah, that one.
So you got here the full booking widget.
Okay.
You got some options. For example, maybe you want the list one or the compact one. But I also requested.
What is the code, like plain mainframe or line script? What is the difference between that?
Oh, I'm not sure about it. We'll check upon that later. But you see, you can change the color as well. But I wanted.
Does something happen if I press on where to paste? Like,
no,
does the
I
code
requested.
change?
I asked him, and let's see. There are help switcher, nothing more. The embedded code is identical on all 4 platforms. Only the gray sentence underneath changes.
Oh, okay.
So pressing them does do something. It swaps
The one
that
line,
one
I
line.
understand, with the wicks. Yeah. Look at the end. It should.
So basically it changes. Basically this is something
A tutorial.
guidance. This is just guidance. Okay. Okay. I got the idea now. Okay, but the problem is that I want it to change the design here, you know.
Why?
Let me tell you. For the future. Because maybe some people don't want this type of design. Maybe they want something
Different.
more, yeah. Also, you see this section, you've added here layouts, which is
What?
great, but I want you also to add a section where I could choose between designs.
What the fuck? 32,000 tokens. What the fuck is he making? What is he making?
So shop I'm playing.
This is for every one of them, or what?
No, he did it only for full bookings at the moment. You see about the hero and other sections, for example, experience.
What is here? Why would you need here an embedded code? Because it's
This
not
is just design.
Yeah, but
display only.
Okay. So do you want to change that
This
also?
sends bookings. You see the difference?
Yeah.
This is for front end only. I mean designs, which does nothing actual. It's just for design, you know. Maybe you don't have enough sections on your website and you want something more, then you can do it. For example, if you want to use something that sends the information to the CRM, to the system itself, then you use sends bookings, this section. So let me see. Nothing. I didn't press enter. So this is what he does actually. Browse by category. This is also display only.
Why? Is this not connected to the website? I think
Actually, it should
is.
be.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you.
Photo
And this
gallery as
also-
well. Reviews as well.
Also, yeah.
Okay, so let me tell him.
How does the Mac feel? Does it feel normal?
Yes, I got also a Mac, but it's not a MacBook.
No,
It's a,
like I mean the keyboard and the experience using such small monitor.
yeah, it's okay. I think MacBook was every time compact and easy to use. You see, all of these three sections must be, wait, not must be, but must send information, because they are sending information in the CRM actually. CLI, I said CRM. Let me write panel better.
How much do you got left with
Usage?
the usage? Yeah.
I should check upon it. Usage
Damn.
half. Yeah, I told.
Why is it like I don't? I looked at. I was looking at you, and yours was like sweeping out.
Usage?
Yeah, so fast it was going.
Maybe I'm not using the right skill, the ponytail skill. I don't know. I should check upon it. Later. Just eat yours, and after that I'll eat mine.
Can't I do this?
Let me finish, because I got some ideas in my head which I don't know, it's kind of difficult to explain. I mean, I almost done everything in integrations. I just want him to integrate the design options, you know, and then you could proceed with bookings, or I don't know, with some other sections that.
But couldn't I do like the integrations?
What?
Couldn't I do the integrations? Or are you almost done with them?
I just told you I'm almost done. You could have done them, of course, but if I already started them, then I'll finish. What should the page on these three cards says? Add for no, may mark them. It must say the exact action that it does. I'm really curious how much time it will take to gain some audience. I mean, some people to chat, you know. It's an interesting experience. Nobody's chatting. Yeah, so let me check. I could commit and push, but I'll wait until he is done. Also, we should start to the other project, you know, the one with the bakery. I think it will be a good idea to.
He didn't even tell you an answer.
I know, but probably he won't. I mean, unless I send him some photos
With what?
with
He
the
told me
bakery.
he will-
But yes, I can generate the design. I can make it professional. I can inspire.
You know what
from
idea I have?
dribble. What?
You know there are some like TypeScroll websites. Let me actually show you.
It's not a good idea, bro. This is a Worder website.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah,
This is
but
not,
look.
for example, I don't know if you've seen, but most of car companies do have this integration with scrolling animations, because this is something that you must show off to people. You know, it's a
Yeah.
premium experience. For example, also an airport. What I did there is just for portfolio. I don't think that the actual airport will need something very advanced. You know, this kind of animations, because people need fast experience. They hurry. You know, they want to see the flights
What about this?
fast. You know.
Look,
What?
it's
I
just a scroll,
understand,
but
bro,
look,
but
after that directly comes the
I don't know, we'll see, but this
pizzas.
is not about pizza, you know, not only.
Yeah,
I understand, I don't know. Highfield. Yeah, but you see, you must pay in order to get those animations. You must pay the subscription on Highfield. But I don't want to waste money at the moment. Unless somebody needs a real project, you know. So. These are done? Are you
what?
sure? Also, we'll
Yeah.
change the design, it's all done.
Fuck the design, we'll change it later.
Who's writing? One second, guys. Okay.
We'll change the design later, it's not a problem.
So, deployments.
Premium is ad
Oh, I didn't even
and the YouTube Music app together.
saw that the music stopped. My bad, guys.
One
Wait, let me check. There is a bit of delay, but let me comment the changes.
If you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of
Okay, it's okay. So, oh, hello, bro. Hi. So, it's building. It's kind of hot in here, bro, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I should turn on the AC. I'm building a system for a car rental company. I mean a SaaS system, software as a service. Actually, it's not only for one company, it's for car rental owners. So basically, we are focusing on developing this system. It's something advanced. It requires a lot of time, but I think we'll do it. You know, we started already, so there is no back path.
That's for sure.
We're never going back. So actually, don't forget to drop a like if you want to support us. Also, this will give us more motivation, you know, to continue. So everything is done. Let me check. Yeah. Okay, it's ready. Let me refresh the page. classic. Click any text to rewrite it. Reserve now. Actually can't really edit everything in here. I see soft, sharp, dark. What the hell? What is this? I mean, it's a real person?
Yeah, it's implants showing it.
Yeah, I don't like what I see. I mean, it's the same design basically.
But what is the difference?
I'm trying to look. You see this button changes. This is style. No, he again misunderstood. And also I must actually wait. Text. What? However, a headline. I don't like what he did in here. Bro, I don't really like what you did. You just added. Let me check. Styles, but I requested designs, bro. Different designs. That's the whole point. So basically, I must press on a button which should be in the right side, and basically it must open a pop-up with a lot of designs that I could choose, like a library. You understand now? Also, I don't like what he did with the builder. I must not be able to, or actually I don't know.
What?
It can be a bit confusing, you know.
What?
Wait a second. Also with the builder, I must not be able to edit the text from entering the section itself. Now it's confusing how I explain. Also with the builder, I must be able to hover on the section and it must turn into black, transparent black. Transparent, dark. Turn darker, and basically I should be able to press on a button and it must open the editor, which will be also in the same position. So, and at the moment I can't edit the text, actually. Please fix this bug as well. Let me take a screenshot. Insert. So, I don't like what he did in here. It's not so professional. It doesn't make any sense to be real. I mean, what's the point of having this dark section when I can use this one? Actually, it changes only the button. We'll see. Instead of style, I want to have that library, because in that library I can have designs which will include the size of the buttons, sharpness, and so on. But it seems difficult. You can see that the AI does not understand properly. I mean, without some reference, he won't be able to do it, I guess. Yeah, this will be kind of difficult, but I want only the idea at the moment. I want to understand and to see that he got my idea. So let me check again. He's still working on it, okay.
Could you give me your
What?
charger?
One second.
Because my phone will die and you will need it.
One second. So it is still working, I see. Error writing file. Yeah. Wait 1 second.
Listen to this person.
So let me see what he done. It's still working. Deployments, nothing yet. You see, it's kind of confusing when you first enter in here. Those buttons are circled somehow, and it creates a confusion. So there must be a button in order to enter in the builder. Also these colors, I don't know what to say, are not so professional.
Why don't you tell him to do gradient?
Why would I use gradient?
I don't know who should be more professional, I don't know. Or you can even put
No, gradient color, it's not.
a color palette, you know, so that people can choose
Yeah, but at the
themselves.
moment this is just an example, just the idea, you know. I'm not trying to test them out yet because I'm still building the whole idea.
Why does it tell you like other license domain and stuff?
What? Other license domain about? Because I don't have a domain. So basically I should add a domain in order to whitelist it, so the code could actually work.
Oh,
Because if I open it live at the moment, basically it will tell me that
the domain is not authorized.
authorized this, and this is a problem. Okay, actually it's not a problem, but it's because I did not whitelist any domains at the moment. And
So yeah, like with the license, you fix with the license.
Yeah, I already generated the license. Here it is.
So how do you generate?
When you first enter in this section, you
Mhm.
have a section with a button telling you to generate a license.
And
Let's
you
go.
can just generate it, or you need
What?
to. How does it work? Like,
You press a button and actually it generates.
yeah, but
The
what do
license.
you do with it afterwards? Like me being the owner of the website, where do I put it?
It's none of my business where do you put the license. What do you mean where do you put the license? This license is just for you. Don't make nothing with this license.
Okay, but
It does have a role, of course.
what's it?
I just explained to you that this code can't work without that license. This is the whole idea. Because if this code gets leaked, let's say somebody can abuse, could send information into your CRM, and it doesn't make any sense. But with that license and with this whitelist also, even that a person will have that code, it means that he,
Is enough.
yes, because his website is not whitelisted in here. That's the whole point. So yes, it's not done yet. Lit. Oh, let me take a look what we did in here. Can you see when I press in here, it collides basically. Okay. I don't really like that. See, I can press on advanced filters because it opens the editor. So this is not okay. Also, it must get a currency based on your country.
Revert the one that you select, because you could put the country, but you could select another currency in the setup.
I guess so, yes. Also, you see, based on the currency that you select in the setup, or I don't know, if you change it in the settings, it must show the correct one in this menu. So also we'll see about that editor as well. Auto update file. Let me bring the charger. Hold on.
Yeah, so like I was looking through his what he did now, and I like what I see. I don't know, the single car thing, it's also really cool, but I don't really understand what he meant by single car. I will ask him. And you see, it doesn't even change when I... Okay, let me do that. In here, when I change to car, it doesn't change actually the thing of the car, so it should change it. Well, now I'm talking with the bot. Why is here in the single vehicle? Why is it a paper? Shouldn't it be for all the vehicles, or you could change it? The widget catalog for each individual car. Do you meant like to change each individual one if you want to? Didn't he miss some sort of sections? Yep. So we should do that. Should I push what he did? But no, I think let it finish first and then I push. 75%. And it's going out on 7:40. And today is what day? Fuck, no. Today is the 31 days. And we need it till 1st of August. It's okay. I don't know, is the music okay for you guys? Like the person who is watching, is the music okay? Did you explain to the guy that asked you what we are building?
Yes.
Okay. I meant here, like, he did not put all the things in, like, in the about us section. He did not include the about us and the contact us section. It's not here. Like, there is the booking, there is the home section, there is the fleet section, and that's it. There's the contact log, but I don't know why.
Yeah, it's good. Yes, but they could already have a contact page. That's the whole point. I don't know, maybe you could add some elements, but not the entire page.
But you
That's the
need,
whole point.
but you need it.
You need only the
This
about
in here.
this page. You don't need nothing. This is
Yeah,
just visual.
I meant the contact page.
He added a contact block already.
This one.
I
No,
don't know.
no, very sure.
Okay, it's not that one, of course, but we'll change it. Okay,
But why didn't he add it? Wait, that's wrong actually. The footer should be in the home section.
Because it's part of the home section. It's not even the footer, that's the promotion stuff. But let me finish parts and then I will integrate it. What? What is this about? Wait a second, please, guys. It's an internet problem. Okay, so
Did
Just
he do what I
working.
asked him?
also receive okay, this is about the currency that I asked, and this is about this is about the engine.
I looked down on the last one. Did he do what I asked him?
This one?
Yes.
Yes,
he
he
did not.
finished, but I didn't push the changes yet. So you are welcome to leave a comment at any time. We'll be very welcome to
Answer all
answer.
questions. Yes.
Looks like you're on YouTube watching a musician that can do it all.
Could you
But did
change
you know
to the
there's a YouTube
internet
Music
one?
app that does it all with
So we can
ad-free
have
listening
more
and
also.
song downloads
And
and
you can go
background
to the
play
table,
and a
maybe
whole
it
lot
will
more?
be
That's a lot.
to have a better
YouTube
internet
Music
connection.
Premium.
But I'm not sure if I change it right now.
Okay. Leave.
What package do you have?
What?
What package do you have?
Here in Moldova, 40. I don't know if it will be or not.
And how much do you have?
Huh?
Yes.
I don't know how to check.
Orange. Check. But don't break the cable.
We have like Orange, Moldova,
I'm sure. So, okay, one more task left. Actually, he did something wrong here. Home sections. This footer must be. This is not even a footer, this is just a promotion page. He must remove that footer, this part. Okay, we'll fix that as well. Let me tell him now.
Oh,
Actually,
actually,
Hmm.
I have 77.
How much?
My plan is on
100. Okay.
actually
Oh, then it's okay.
100 national minutes, including roaming, 60 and
You see this section? I want you to remove the footer because I don't need the footer. I need only the promotion part. And also you must move this part into the home section. So please do it. Moreover, contact block.
oh no, actually it's 60.
Moreover, the contact block is not the same as on my website. Please take into consideration and fix this bug as well. So, take a look. Did we finish? No, he didn't, but I push the changes. So, we'll see what he actually built.
Which month is the 8th?
So, let me take a look. Did he deploy it? Not yet.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out here. Driving
Let me close it.
When is your girl coming home?
feel the wind in my hair,
I don't know, I think
going nowhere, I swear.
he's closed, I guess. I don't know.
But it's so fun, running.
Also reviews. Reviews is not display. Browse by category. Okay.
But you didn't actually test if it works,
What?
to see if it actually like it works and copies the code and gives you the CRM.
Yes, I know, the testing is the second part, but this is not as important at the moment. I'm building the front end at the moment.
How much do you have left in the tank?
I don't know, but it resets at 7, I guess. Oh, it's okay.
740.
So I am live for 1.5 hours almost. It's pretty good. I mean, my session does not last for so long. Yeah. What about the fleet showcase? My what? Fleet showcase, let me check again. It doesn't render nothing. I think I found a bug. It may be because of the internet connection, I guess. Actually, no, the internet connection is good. I should commit the changes. Something is corrupted. So yeah, now it's loading. Yeah, but you see, I can't scroll at the moment. This is the problem. He did something, but not how I was imagining. My grandpa will come soon.
And you will close the live or what? Or you will just...
My usage limit is almost done.
What do you mean? You have 10% left.
I know. But actually, see, it's overheating.
What do you mean? It's because you're holding it or... Holy shit! It's because you're holding on your leg and it's hot outside.
Shut up.
You wanted to tell something different. I will tell the minister. Should I go to the kitchen and drop this?
I got an error. Deploy error. Ah, wait a second, guys.
Yeah!
Done. Fix this error, please. I mean, I pushed on Vercel and I got this error. Please fix it. So, let me take a look. So, Okay, the AI is working, which is great. We got an error, which is not great. Let me take a look. Yeah, still nothing, still the old design. Okay, but oh, nice, that's nice. That's great. This is what I wanted, but now the designs must be different. And at this point, Cloud is not that good. I mean, his imagination is kinda simple. Actually, I'll try to maintain a lot of variants. And also, why did he remove the colors? Oh, okay. He had it then in here. Yes, but you see it's kinda confusing in colors. Because actually you should close it and then, yeah. So let me tell him to move the colors out of this box. So you see about this color section, I want you to remove it from the box and put it in the right side. What? I guess so. No, come back. What are you doing?
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube
Close it.
and
No.
video downloads. So you can watch cooking shows as you eat airplane food.
So, because it's kind of confusing, you should close the nano every time and then look again, and it's not so convenient and practical at the same time. So, it's flickering again. This is annoying. Look what he did. Well, this is what I wanted. I mean, different type of designs in this menu, like a library.
Could you show it again?
I mean, these are different design.
Yeah, but aren't they like
No, no, it's not
kinda
the same.
basic?
What do you mean?
Wait, I go there. Oh,
It's not basic. It's a different type of design. I mean, are 12. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you have. So. So guys, everything that you need is a PC in order to start working. If you need some advice, you can write
bro.
something in the chat.
no, bro, you actually need, like the guru say, you need the best of the best. You actually need a MacBook M5 Pro with everything, with a cloud
Oh,
workstation.
this is a myth.
Only if you have the
You
best
can
of the
work on
best.
whatever computer you like. Of course, that you should have the minimum requirements. At least 16 gigs of RAM, or I don't know. I mean, it's
16, and you meant
16, yes. I said 16.
16.
60, no, 60 is a lot. I mean, you could run on AMA, yes,
Yeah.
locally on your PC, but still you won't be able to run code on your local PC because it requires an insane amount of power. And I don't think that cloud is open source. So let me take a look if we finish. Let me do the changes. Done. Deployment. Actually, don't forget to give a like. It helps us a lot. Wow. So let me check home sections. Oh god. Yeah, this is not so good.
What?
He tried to do something, but you see, you need to make each design individually, otherwise it won't be professional. He tried a dark theme, but it is not so good. You can see that some elements are broken in here and are not even visible because of the small amount in here. So okay, but it's a good try for the first generation. It's kind of good. Dark. Nothing changed. Okay. Bro, you have a lot to do. I mean about designs. Or you are not so good at them.
What do you mean? I could do them. But why not? You meant here. Site for each individual one.
Yeah, for each individual one.
And you need like also I need to check if
You see, there must be different types. For example, look, they all
different
are the
layouts,
same.
different layouts.
Yeah. So basically, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 images. Here must be, I don't know, maybe 5, and
Really,
different
maybe
positions.
I,
You know.
I could use 21 for this.
I guess so. And also about the hero, it took me a while to create this hero with code. I mean, you can just give him a prompt and yeah, he won't generate. These are my ideas. So actually, yeah. Okay, let me.
Did you finish like with the logic of it?
He's still working. 44 minutes already. Oh my god.
No, but yeah, go back a bit.
Why?
Again, go
Pages?
through all of them. Did you add everything that needed to be added? You should move it.
No, it is not done yet. But you see what I don't like?
What?
That you can edit the text.
Why should you edit the text? I understand, okay, but why can't you put it?
I want to.
Why can't you put it inside here, like something like that?
No, bro, you don't understand my idea. Basically, you should not be able to edit the text unless you press on a button. For example, I don't know, maybe when you hover on this part, it must be a button in order to enter the building mode, or I don't know, maybe on the top here, to enter in the building mode. Because, for example, if you press on this button, maybe you want to open the menu and you accidentally press on edit the text, you know, and it's not convenient every time.
Yeah, we should think of something.
And you can't
It's
even.
not fully visible.
What? What is it? Also, you see, I can scroll because of this.
Yeah, it's
Nor
not
I can
full.
place, nor I can open advanced filters. You
But
know.
the advanced filter should drop at any time. Like
Actually, no.
why?
You must open them manually. Or I don't know, maybe yes. But you see, I can scroll because of this. We'll fix this as well. And also, I want to
But it's,
make
it's a
this
blank,
preview,
yeah.
I want to make this preview full.
Full, yeah, because it's a
I mean, as an
blank.
option. For example, maybe you see, because of this small screen, you can't see everything inside it. You must be able to make it full screen. And it's not a problem that it's widescreen, because actually this is the whole idea. Because you are implementing in your website this manner. So,
Damn, bro. How much do you have left?
what
Oh,
tokens?
yeah.
I should check. Search.
You're
99, yes, I'm out almost. It's not a problem.
But what does he do in the 47 minutes? What is he doing there?
I'm not sure. No. I asked him about.
Go up and press on the one. Go a little bit up and press on this.
You know.
Probably don't really know what to do. We just started, but I require designs about different.
Oh, the implementation about designs. This is what is he doing at the moment. This one, Grid Classic, you know. Actually, it's a good idea to have multiple designs, because somebody has other preferences, you know. Maybe I don't know, you want to use this type of design, or for example, different buttons, rounded buttons. Yeah, everybody has its own preferences, and it's very good when actually you have a lot of options. Okay. $74K tokens, oh god. So yeah, 1% left. Let me refresh, let me see what he did.
Did it finish?
Yes, he removed
Remove it and
the
put
page, but actually what? He again misunderstood about the contact page.
But he
He
could
should
leave
have done.
it.
He should have done. Bro, this is just design. This one.
Yeah, but then you can leave it.
Yes,
just
I know,
tell
I can,
him.
but
Just tell him to add that
this
one.
is not a contact block. Actually, this is some
That-
informational contact block.
But this is a contact block. This is a like contact. I don't know.
Form.
pop-up
This
form.
is a form, yes. Yes, but you see, this can create a confusion. I mean about the names. This is the problem actually. Yes, but I want to add this whole section. I mean this part.
I think he had actually that part
Get
higher.
YouTube Music Premium
That
with
one.
this toggle.
Yes, he added only these 4 blocks.
Damn, bro. 40 minutes. And did you add every? Yeah.
Not everyone. Single vehicle.
Did it change? Like, did I change the vehicle? Did
What?
it change it? I did it.
To a different kind of vehicle.
No, yeah, it changed it. It will, but you see it's going slowly.
What do you mean?
Takes a while it loads.
And this is normal, bro.
Well, it should be a little faster.
We'll see about that.
So like you can change for each individual card the layout, how it looks, the form, something like that. But you know what we can do here also? Put for all the vehicles. Maybe somebody like why would the person stay for each individual one?
Wait again. What do you mean?
I meant like why would the person stay for each individual one and do the same like design? Maybe he likes this design for all the vehicles, and you could put like apply this design for all the vehicles.
But this is for all the vehicles.
How did you do that?
Yeah. Home sections, experiences. Can't scroll through it. Nor he did change the design. Yeah. How it works. Opens catalog. Now you see, basically display on. Okay, these are, if you look close, this is an interaction basically. I mean, I should add some filters, or for example, I should sort out the elements that are more important from those that are, I don't know, maybe
Designer.
Yeah, even though this opens the catalog, yes, but I don't really understand the logic, how it will open the catalog. Actually, if he adds the car booking in this widget, it should redirect automatically to this widget, so it must be linked somehow. Okay, but this is the test part. We are not doing the test part at the moment, nor adding or editing the designs. We are focused now on creating the base. So promo banner. Okay, he added the promo banner, which is good. Also, okay, the designs are the same. I don't care at the moment, this is not so important. We'll edit it later. Reviews. Yeah, also it's broken as the same. So it is bugged when I scroll. It's not a problem. I will fix that. Yeah, photo gallery. Okay. Featured vehicles. Also is the same. Okay, it's not a problem. Now these are just some design parts. Oh, okay, the link is out. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I guess we'll be back at 7 or 8, something like that, with one more session, night session. Okay, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.